Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a follow-up video on NIO stock, ticker symbol NIO. This stock is currently at $3.62. Not that much volatility, but there is some news that I want you guys to know, and I want to update you guys on what's going on. So this article by Yahoo Finance says NIO more than doubles deliveries in April as domestic economy limps back to normalcy. So this article right here says, headline right here, Chinese EV maker NIO Inc. ADR or NIO reported strong deliveries for April. The resurgence reflected a return of normalcy in China, right? They're already lifting those stay-at-home orders over there in China, and they already passed a lot of that. A lot of the people that were infected by COVID-19, they're already recovering. Their rate of recovery has just skyrocketed because it's a country that just enforced these strict rules like no other country we have seen. And so that's why they were able to return back to normal really fast, and which emerged from a protracted lockdown in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. So remember the last video I made, I explained how the Shanghai-based company, which recently announced a $1 billion state funding and the shifting of its headquarters to Haifi, Providence. So it said, so this is the key point right here. Let me zoom in on this. Hope you guys can see this clearly. Right here, it said that it delivered 33,155 vehicles, almost 3,200 vehicles in April. So this is up by a 105% increase. This is basically a 100% increase from the previous month, which was March, when they only delivered 1,500 vehicles. They doubled the deliveries right there in just 1 month because of the stay-at-home orders being lifted and all that, the economy reopening in China. So there's on a year-over-year basis, the growth was even better. So from last year, this year, for some reason, they're more profitable, and the vehicle delivery growth has increased so much year over year from 2019 to this year that it's 180%. That is insane. The breakup of April numbers being 2,907 ES6s and 248 ES8s. So those are the vehicle models that they were selling. The most popular being the ES6. I'm guessing that's the cheaper model, and the ES8s, that's probably like a more expensive high-end model. NIO said it commenced deliveries of the all-new ES8s with more than 140 improvements on April 19th. So in April, we achieved record high monthly ES6 deliveries since June 2019. So keep in mind, their ES6 sales or deliveries were way up from last year when the economy was just perfectly fine in June 2019, when there was no pandemic, nothing going on, no shutdowns. Their ES6 deliveries have increased since then. I hope this is really credible. I don't want this to be like kind of like a Luckin Coffee situation where they're faking or they're having fraud or something. I hope that doesn't happen, because then it could get this delisted if something like this happens to another Chinese company. It could just be a lot of drama that we don't need currently. So anyway, the company attributed its strong April results to the recovering production and delivery capabilities, as well as strong order growth, facilitated by increasing recognition of its products, services, and particularly battery swapping. This is that feature that's available to NIO EVs, and it's that battery swap technology, which allows the car to basically park in this garage where they just take out the battery and put a new one. If you need to have an instant recharge, or if that one battery is degraded or something for some reason. That is a cool feature that only those NIO vehicles or EVs have. So additionally, with a positive order and delivery momentum, we remain committed to further improving our gross margin and operational efficiency, said co-CFO Stephen Feng. Okay, so that just means in pre-market trading, NIO ADRs were up 4% to 344. That's looking good. I mean, if they can keep this growth happening, I would say this company is a buy. Even if there's concerns and about their financials and how they might be going bankrupt sometime soon if they don't figure out how to get out of debt. This is a company that's in debt. They have experienced that in the past, just borrowing money and stuff. That's what happens. the average volume though from a 10-day history, according to TradingView, is about 37 million. So that's decent volume. I mean it is a low price stock. It's not really an expensive stock, so you can expect this kind of like trading volume from a stock at this price. Also, there's already like 772 million shares outstanding out there in the stock market, and yeah, the price to revenue ratio is 2.9. Price to sales is 2.9, about the same. And it's just some other information is that the 52-week low, at the lowest in the past year, it was $1.20 around there. The highest it's been is $5.65 per share. So this stock being at $3.62, we can see by the technicals. We see this arrow right here pointing to buy. I don't think this is a strong buy, but this is definitely a buy. This is something you guys should be watching. So once the economy is fully reopened, so I expect the economy to be back to normal around like the middle of 2021, around June, the summer. By then, I think that if NIO keeps their growth and they keep increasing their sales and deliveries like they have been at the same rate that they're going right now, by then I think that overall they might even have a 500 to 600% increase in growth, and that's for deliveries year over year from 2020 to 2021. So I can see this stock growing in price. So if you buy right now, man, don't let this opportunity pass you by like this. If you buy really early on, like when it's $3 per share, imagine if it just goes up to $10, $9 per share, $15 per share. Like that's just insane. That's like that's like 5 times in value, right? The stock would just triple, quadruple, etc. And just, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry that it was pretty short. I didn't really have much time to make this. I have to go and get some food and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, please like and comment on the video. And if I provided any kind of value to you guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.